If you live in California, you already know that car insurance can be expensive. But the good news is that some companies consistently offer much lower rates than others, depending on your profile. In this video, we're going to look at 3 of the cheapest car insurance companies in California in 2026, based on recent data. Let's get started. The first option is Geico. This is currently one of the cheapest car insurance companies in California overall. On average, full coverage costs around $2,038 per year, and liability-only coverage can be as low as about $41 per month, which is significantly below the state average. Geico is especially a great option for young drivers and people looking for minimum coverage, and it also offers discounts for good students, safe drivers, and multi-vehicle policies. Because of its low base rates, many drivers start their search with Geico. The second option is Progressive. Progressive is another affordable company with average full coverage rates starting around $2,600 to $2,700 per year, depending on your profile. One of the biggest advantages of Progressive is its Snapshot program, which tracks your driving habits and can lower your premium if you drive safely. It's also a great option if you want more flexible coverage options, since you can customize your policy more than with many other insurers. The third option is Mercury Insurance. This company is not as well known nationally, but it is one of the cheapest regional insurers in California, with average rates around $2,700 to $2,800 per year. Mercury is often a strong choice for drivers who want affordable full coverage, especially if you bundle it with other policies. It's also commonly cheaper than larger companies for certain driver profiles, particularly in California. So in summary, the cheapest car insurance companies in California in 2026 are Geico, cheapest overall and best for minimum coverage. Progressive, best for flexible pricing and safe driver discounts. Mercury Insurance, strong low-cost regional option. Keep in mind that your actual price will depend on factors like your age, driving record, zip code, and type of car. So the best way to get the cheapest rate is to compare quotes from multiple companies. And that's it. If this video helped you find cheaper car insurance in California, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more finance and money tips.